Stop by and take a look at the 2014 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.